So guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you why this Lamborghini Aventador Roadster is worth £250,000. Let's take a walk. So guys, the reason why the car is here is actually available to purchase. Now the customer is a very good friend of mine. I go way back with him. He's bought loads of cars off me. I've done so many wraps and PPF jobs for him, and regrettably, he's now selling this amazing machine. So let's start by showing you the features around the car and what makes this car very different to the other Aventadors that are on the market. So let's start off with the first thing. Look at this amazing color. It's Grigio Titanio. I hope I pronounced that right. It's actually a factory matte painted finish. I've never actually seen one. We've wrapped so many Aventadors in satin grey, satin blacks, all the satin colours. But to see one that's actually painted, it gives you a different feel. It looks amazing. It's absolutely flawless. So we're going to start there. I personally love the colour. It works really well against the interior and the wheels. But let me show you around the other features.
Shout out Atam for this one, yeah.
Down to the wheels, 21-inch Dione factory upgraded wheels. Look amazing. I think personally the only wheels that should come on an Aventador. I do like the standard wheels, but if you can get Dione alloys, they look amazing. Finished off in like a dark anthracite grey, really matches the colour of the car. Black Lamborghini calipers from standard, and you've got the Pirelli P0 tyres to go on the alloys too. Perfect setup in my opinion. Take you round to the side, this is where the magic happens. The Lamborghini Scissor doors, and what a feature. Personally, one of my favourite features to ever go on a vehicle. And the big V12 models, they all have the Lamborghini doors. Now for 250 grand, to me, I find this car so much value for money. What else can you really buy? McLaren 720S, but it doesn't really, for me, it doesn't really have the wow factor that an Aventador has. It's the car that gets the kids running down the street with their phones, taking pictures. The car always goes viral when it's on the internet. I actually own an Aventador as well, and I just love them. I think they're absolutely great. But the doors, for me, definitely #1 feature for this car. To take you round to the side of the vehicle, this car's actually got the carbon fiber exterior package, which to me is a massive bonus. My one actually hasn't got it. I've got the plastic black trims, which I do like, but I would have much preferred this spec. So you've got the side blades finished off in carbon fiber. Take you round to the back, which is my favorite part as well. Because this car is a 65 plate, so it's a very early 2016, you actually get the feature that you can put the spoiler up and down, which I think is great. My one is a 2014, it doesn't give you the option to actually lift the spoiler, but at speeds it has 3 stages. So at 50 it goes up, at 70 it goes up, and then at 90 it goes even higher. But here you can roll around town with the spoiler up, and I think it looks amazing. So this car's actually got the Lamborghini sports exhaust from factory, so it sounds amazing. It pops, it bangs, it gives you the exact theatre emotion that you think this car's going to have. It definitely comes through the exhaust. Down to the bottom, it's got the carbon rear diffuser. Again, massive feature. It's got the big chunky air vents that lets all of the heat out from the V12. They're finished off in carbon. Transparent engine bay, which shows off the beautiful V12, which is absolutely stunning. To take you round to the other side of the car, again, we get the scissor doors. And this is where you enter the amazing cockpit. You feel like a fighter jet pilot. When you jump in, you just feel like you're in something special. I can't actually describe it sometimes. You're gonna have to go out in one or try and buy one. So it just feels amazing, guys. As soon as you want to enter the cockpit, you're presented with the Lamborghini Aventador carbon side plate, which looks unreal. This car's finished off with a brown tan interior. It works really well. In the beginning, I wasn't really a fan. When the customer told me that he had the tan interior, I was just thinking, okay, will it work, will it not? But you know what? It looks amazing with the roof off, and it's something different. I think people nowadays, especially the game that we're in, everyone's trying to be a little bit different. If you can get a bit different color leather, or you can get a different color on your calipers, why not? It's a loud car, why not have something different? So guys, let me show you around the interior. So we've jumped in the cockpit. It's absolutely amazing in here. Presented by so much carbon fiber center console, dashboard, you name it, you've got it. It looks amazing. All from factory as well, so none of it's aftermarket, came straight from Lamborghini like this. So it's got the carbon exterior and interior, which is a big feature. So to start off, in the beginning, you get the beautiful leather steering wheel, F1 pedal, gear shifts as well. Shift through the gears automatically, or you can fully take control when you control the gears yourself. Dashboard is in carbon, got the fighter jet style clocks. Center console, you've even got like the fighter jet switch where you start the car. Guys, I absolutely love driving this car. What else can you buy for 250 grand that makes you feel like an absolute superstar every time you drive it? So on the road presence is unreal. It sounds amazing, it drives amazing. Wow, lost for words every single time. So guys, this car is available. It's 2 owners from new, it's done 6,500 miles. The spec is amazing, as you've already seen. Give us a call, one of our sales execs will be more than happy to help you guys. That's it from us. We'll see you next week. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned.